say ye bomb the film from kakra na ye bomb the esaba ye menim say nije hu don't no be a wo bia no fidie nda hayi enko ba bia nti fro bi no bi so nkan show bi say suma se dwuma dia ye bomb the tenase no mienu no nam say ye fidie no ho techimanti no afei ene abomode asin konwa awase ya ye de da na so a beto ne da na afei abomode apɛ ne pomasibre no nti bomode a sɛ obɛbomode afro bi no bia so atumi ahwɛ bi live ɛwɔ enije hye no so ya abomode asin konwa ɛwɔ fi as usual me di good man Benjamin never bless ne and some doors but ye ni anim sɛ COVID-19 as a coronavirus abesense nya ekomu nti no and then lockdown ho nsensem nti no ama some people dey say complainant no omuntumi emmomode mbafia but esuma so wo nko ade sen kwa na lockdown no lockdown ekwan bia so say ekɔ manfo bi mwa na ye bomode hu sɛ ye de ne pomasibre no esi ho na nipa bi akoma etumi abomode atɔ ne yam kyene ye kɔma no so na ye ne complainant no abomode atwe nkomo ne yebusa no so ne nsɛm no kwa no ene deɛ hyɛ no so sɛ me de amatofo no ebeto ma aso atumi abam me no so a na mabomode adwenkyere but before then ye di nkomo ekona no o de adwenkyere no be 0546 060660 0546 060660 and ebe da screen so nti no bomode efa number na de adwenkyere na afa so aba hyɛ no so sɛ it's truly WhatsApp messages tiasma mekani it's truly WhatsApp messages Mr. Memphis is that obomode from ya phone no e be din se metumi apeke call no e wo studio ha nya de metumi apeke call no it's truly WhatsApp messages and as SMS na ye nyina abomode edi ye kwa animu na no share so betumi ahwe Esumase live Facebook ESUMASE Esumase on Facebook ESUMASE there's no hyphen trouble so e do be call page straight up na fe also to me dey o comment no afa ho e dey aba on YouTube dey be am cause Esumase YouTube channel ne ebusuaku on to be kan wa na say ye no aba ebusua ne sa nti Esumase-TV na also dey wadwenche no afa ho e dey aba ejako e ofia na ibedi nkomo ne ebekọ ahoma no so sanse niema ekoso ewo ye wiase ne ade na hye no so emre ni ntino na yamfa opinion segment no entumi amrel sanse nche bekọ no so na ye ne nipa bi ebomode eso edi nkomo ejako aba
Yeramira
bibia kama
bibia kama aya akanta ne ba yaba ne aba
sebetia ku entinko ye de ya so manfo
sa ana tie
fantastic
ene se amalamfo no se akonfo no bubu nkrofo no ene se mu di nsemu na ha mpo mu nyai ye de he egbene ni ga ye be saba ye amontam juku
enu kwa de da
amu se
fantastic
merci yaba no
ni aba fantastic
that's right yaba
ya fasina na ma Dr. Apia Herbal Center wada roman edijumedi to the school Nije Professional School of Journalism and Film College omada roman ye di Esumase djumedi ni ba me chirechiri mu bebre me de ho nsem bebre ni bebre ne ma me ko ma no so sele dan de ye no Esumase djumedi no ma me ko ma no so na ye ne ye complainant no emomode entwen komo ate so jan ma no so hello good afternoon sir hello good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Open get wadaruma boko there.
Awurade adumo nam so
adum eni ahweye o Enije TV ya Esumase djumadi so wadaruma obebo odin e de ama me ye fro say
me pa so Kofi Frimpong first of
Kofi Frimpong wadaruma say me no kasa no wo yin
me pa so me kasa speak
Kumasi okay na lockdown nti na Esumase yenya studio ene odi nkomo all right Kofi ye ni nkomo day na man ne wabomode agina phone so na oni Enije TV na Esumase edi nkomo dey na si wadaruma ni nkomo
yo bia me dia to that bebre ne ma Esumase kidipo say wadaruma mo kuma omo a ebi ma ma ke tombetu so mo wi aso mo mpa adwuma no betu so bu am
fantastic
mo kuma yo safa papa no so na timi ni na say madam to be a taxi driver awo kuma abutia kruwa
okay
I friend Kofi Poku enti me try to mo be see me see within commercial me say madam to be no a teacher ni wo grammar secondary school they say o jai so o kwa China akoye na master so waba na me abemu mpanyimfo ono na ka kire me say ona abemu mpanyimfo wo connection bi o mutimi ni pa tu kwan especially nya teacher for teacher for na yɛsua de a o mutimi boa em ko sua de o abrochi
okay
nti sai mi tell me kan ho afemi ɛyɛ Kofi Poku na ɛda ba na eketu ma me no no tradio offense to Jamaica Kente senior high school.
Oh, okay. Offense so yeah. Okay.
I offense so.
Okay.
The day Owusu Boateng Karim.
Oh, okay.
Na me Owusu Boateng Karim Emma madam for the me number Emma no and what people Owusu Boateng dey so ma me. Owusu Boateng no look na me friend no friend me no say or connection be or them what take my technique no tia dia wa bro you be tia boa ta kwan no and you know in the shia you can't and the teacher class our club to ku wada na me kwani da me kono because be am cheno na o te den ho enti emre be ma me ni shia me di nkoma ha ye be ya nuanom me friend for a presby authority and you know, oh, never did it cry to the Bakuti, I said about you.
First off, what's the main car?
Hello,
what's the main car? I don't know, yet, say, young men in Tion, a year come on, I remember questions with Jan and my name, how papa, I don't know. Before say about twice, my Musa said, wonderful Kofino, or say a coin bear soon or far so, Karim, a teacher, and Shadio. Jamaica Kente man into no introduce no man. No say a crime no far so or the huno. Who's I?
I'm a Busano. I'm more sick. Karim Boateng no at for car but 2 a little bar or no 2 cow.
Okay. Okay.
And you know no between papa.
O di car no between into no and a ma odin one dance show. Nemo one fan into kwanda.
On fan into kwanda. According to no.
Nje no hu say sabi obi otwi obi car na waba station no e dey no hu say pano di amanfo otu kwan.
Oh, no portrait me say what e carry me ba na nchen ni be nkomo say okwan ne master no hu abani panyimfo enti otu di nipa bebre ko.
Okay.
According to no our church we you be church here because and now no what e carry me so na politically too.
Oh, okay. Okay, fantastic. Okay. All right, yeah, to us. Into only share and see it.
And to me, Emma, Madame Baku, all the teacher, Nisha, let me introduce you what I can remember, no, my name,
okay.
And last summer, what can I say? Ministry of Finance. I bet 2 minutes, me aid. Yes, your friend could see. Or no. Deputy Minister aid, you know, and now connection is in also. It's the main man could be Madame Petit and what you can call Ministry of Finance. To call Ministry of Finance, one, name was school to me, friend beside the say, or coin, a good say, and also a more cost through and my Deputy Minister aid him out with the G. Yes, you can't, Madame for the PIano. 16,000 Ghana to be I am there. I say. I cannot it 150 million.
Nessa no you down for the day. And you in you anami boa.
I knew about for the day and honor you got for our one in the choir and I'm missing man or buy about Kumasi, what you carry about Kumasi, I'm 150 million.
Also man 15,000. Okay.
Maybe man 15,000. Yeah, for 2 account to be or see on my account in 16,000 for 2 account to the minimum. And a big bear, one man,
maybe my clear what I say first off. Asama, you know, dim coin, AC Dabe, AC Brebe, yeah, bay.
Some way, no, it's 2019,
okay.
September, October.
All right, no problem. Moody's cannot go to account, a bare name bay, not account name near day.
That's not the
account name now Moody's cannot a deposit to 2 mono. A D Ben a dark account as well.
A DNA Kofi Boachi.
Kofi Boachi. And Kofi Boachi, why or Mamu say Kofi Boachi on the deputy minister of finance aid na.
Debbie Kofi Boachi and not only a deputy minister 8 na down to.
Na downfall. And I'm the scan to account.
Deputy minister 8 no.
Okay.
Or say or na instructed saga on ni abino.
Okay, so it's be an fun accounts Matthias. Okay.
But
say on the instructed nipa says can be an fun accounts. Yes sir.
According to a deputy minister 8 you know.
Okay. Also.
And the discount to there 1 month and a black carrying friend say oh almost 3 years ago na ticket came in your marketing to be no $2,500.
Okay.
$2,500.
Yeah.
Now before then it is now what you can give it 3,007 fair registration in your marketing.
3,700, which is 37 million.
37 million. Okay. 150 million actually.
And the one found one two coffee watching accounts. Yes, sir.
And the what you can
on one Casana J says cano.
But the what if we watch account in Mutano on one Cano. On one big Canada two.
On the G scan film with them. And they call 2 man. I'm moving to call bank or I'm deposit scano.
Make or buy many here and me compare and imagine that you know. The thread that I could.
Okay.
And was Minia. Nani cow how a teacher near Minina said, but Catamano and to the man on one of what country.
Okay.
But we see the other crane and what they can.
Okay.
Yes. And see, after was it, yeah, at 1 month was here the court. Because $2,500. Me two car. And I'm a share driver, Kofi Tokuno. And I'm the share Kofi Tokuno. Besides the say, I have what you carry me. Would you need Kofi Tokuno catch and say, I'm the would you need me kind of 3 times. And she may come and I for $2,500. And the man Kofi Tokuno, I have the name. And a boy 3. And a car not Madame for $400. That will be $2,900.
Okay.
$2,900. And the man took on the name.
Okay.
And then the boy, the man watching carrying. And I make me card coin and also coin. And she will after the Vital Comminia, Nanya Cosay, also be never cut a no. Said the name of the community hall. As whom the minister
first of all, you know, almost some of the more country by. Almost out here, there's a country by Nomdoko. Australia. Time Utias Gano, ye Bibiano. Unya Konako interview, and I say, Babia, and I say, and you be out when you say, this and about catchers, almost Bibia, you know, for $2,500. What do you want visa?
My commander who visa, abroad, the affair. What he carry the rear? Or she didn't know what she shared with Jimmy Carney. I don't know. Yan was a government protocol. Yeah, but a do her. I'm better to be an Abanama for bomb in China.
Or say a government protocol. It's one quick interview, baby. One quick interview, baby. Yes, sir.
You're interview.
And you know, also one for a near movie, Sabia. Is it that I know passports away? Or more process now, passports away.
Not passport on the body can remedy a comma. Deputy Finance Minister and the agent.
Okay. All right. No problem. Here to us. I trust Mukaya Embano. Uchiman as a Mubomode Koi. Muko in Canada this year.
The Conqueror and Deputy Minister may say, hey, you know, the agent continue. And what can't say, and all of our pending that young account to my target.
Mammy emphasize on this answer. Answer to us. Mukoyeno. So we teach any into what dream no name the baby Edruno. Who say indeed it's true that Sami Park of Washington Mosene is can go to accounts or your deputy minister of finance ni aid and pa.
The assembly account, you say deputy minister no me aid na down for Ampa.
any aid adamfo and I say any aid ankasa
any aid you ka tell say sika na nsaka obi wa kina ya brand no nsaka
and I mention say mukon kan no were you guys able to meet onu ankasa ma muhu say ye ampa na mum nye obi na sheche ka say na me ye hwan na because na ikro ma say obi kwa betumi de agina ba bia ka say sabi pedia say o ye kufu do ofa ase ohun ha mo de age obi sika but the mpese me hu ne say mo bo mo de kon kan no mo bo mo ni hu say bebi a mo kɔ no say nipa na o kan asem say deputy minister of finance ni aid no na ye no kwesa say nipa no o was that position no
I need the near call your shop with financial Emma or no documents no
okay yen to us
Lemon the document no yes you sign for man me sign a trust rock a coin and get a number I wanted to clarify say what you know and scanning man and me get a number no catch me say man not what you knew
okay
even do come na me frɛ kotu no na me busa me and you know so that chance le na ho no ka sema omo nyiska and so mo e omo diska bia ba na ewia ye tia bia ka no
okay
after you busa the say na omo dia ma no o say 150 million everything Ghana cedis next year 16,000 10 million what can carry na
okay
$2,500 or person say what they carry one catch to a catcher with 7 million chino. Now I get a criminal, million chino.
Maybe Kofi watching them all can't see as a mummy and shit. What's in Karim? No, the Odi anymore. No, a criminal.
Deputy Minister aid in Kofi.
Deputy Minister aid in woman, a mouse hiding some yenchino.
I was together the union horror. So I found $2,500. I was for tickets to be I didn't want to get any a wicked criminal many channel.
Oh, okay. So Nessa come on me dinner city. Nessa says Ubo Modi chair 2,500 now. Carry about the Beji and there. Nessa deputy minister aid in Unimuri, son of a Zotre. Okay. Matthias Epa. General Casa Mienchino.
And what
okay now onu sika na onu nim hu bi no sika na onu de onu nim hu bi no ubo mo bisan say adenchi na sabi government protocol connection na anyeye na dabe na on saka sika na e wo onu so wo no
me bisa no no se ono kwa ni mission on pen impression to ka so mo mo sika bia
okay
ana mo ka say bia mo bia ne yenti awi ayesi
Oh my God. Mr. Monheline ni mamina Mr. Festus Hamano so oh my God. A minute bomode hate ya Samson alliance no enye but of course I'm for you be wem ye na twem komo but ye wie na afi ne Karim enso e be twem komo na ye busa no say Mr. Mo say Festus line and go through you know say munya Karim so Hamano so mami hu na sometimes kumu ade protocol sem no say edi amanfo nya yi pa nti na me pese mi hu say so called deputy minister of finance aid you know was it true say am pass deputy minister of finance aid ana government me hu bi pen e bi aba yanim pen obi kwa no de seven pedia say vice president di Bawumia say an no Bawumia protocol bi onam na de ewi achi no say on take kwada nti no there are some people Ombo de use sani mano the extorting money from others on the maternity ye momo de me person me emphasize on it but e be wem na fe ya momo de ehun ne pomasi be no na ye de abreo ye first da no ma Dr. Apia kopin say ye be senya Festus e wa homa no so na watwa na kusem no eso Dr. Apia so ka Joseph Bomode na fu ani eche kuma se kwada so bola kese me ho na be Dr. Apia na ne die lockdown nonsense ni ntino doctor say bebi adu no enya asem keto ne ntwe nkomo na odi ani eni nhu ade a doctor say ono obetua ye ho adwuma e de ama all right na me say ko ma no so all right Festus otime nka
hello pastor me to come in here
fantastic ma no te ko e fa che me ye nto aso nti ni nyina mu no da be no share so obetua na otua ma
o ka so obetua na ye ni say o ɔde akyɛw pa ɛbaa sɛ wɔ Australia mo si wei ne na bɛkyɛ Australia deɛ ne bɛkyɛ nti Canada deɛ foforɔ bi aba ɔsɛnde visas bebree kyerɛ me nti ɛno ɔbɛtumi aboa me na ɔmate so na nsonso a me yɛ ɛne sɛ ɔde tiketi visas na ɔsɛnde kyerɛ me no sɛ bi a ɛyɛ gyani wa na ɛnyɛ gyani o because sɛde na ɔsi ne makyɛ me a ɔtumi bɛgye me kaa yɛ sɛ yɛ nyinaa yɛso nyame ne anwene bɔne ama
ɛdi na sɛnde visa kyerɛ wo sɛ wobɛtua yɛ another connection ama wo nyɛ saa
what's protocol? I know Canada this year.
I know protocol.
Canada king country, no.
Oh,
okay. My quiet.
Okay.
And and also, okay, so bet me a boa me swat. Let's say $2,500 and that's all. $3,700.
Okay.
1,000 citizens are coming to one of us. I want to.
Yes, I know they said no carry more. And I'm a boy.
I this is what 15,000 of them, until 15,000 and 1,000 I can't hold.
But the emperor say one say special aid, 50,000 or G2 muse and they 150 million were received, and maybe say and no catch them say instead of the mamono or but really another protocol mamo and yes sir.
No, can't everything I can't say different protocol and Liberia buying Ghana buying and this is minister for connection and so
the same Karim na yakaza mo mention no on the sa to mo sa mra de no
I on the Saturday the side so by few days say on me the share say oh we na nya na minister for Liberia Ghana protocol in Canada I'm not Sunday this is the bridge me
it meaning say usika unya no utuama special aid in the Osakan 150 million Osakan
on 15,000 to my account
or the two accounts fantastic mini problem or anti yemra Karim de no so na we special aid de no anti yemra Karim de no so enti eno no sa to mra de so obetumi aye Canada connection amount
the obetumi about 5 years and so minister Ghana minister Benin Liberia for omokola etime boa students sa e mo send this person start with the bridge.
Oh, okay. Or send it or show visitors are Omajiji. Yes, sir.
I visit Omajiji. I don't see a protocol based business.
Okay, fantastic. All right. Yeah, to also.
And you know, or sometimes, or the two coffee poker and him say, oh, we're not in a for any other coffee, so mean Fiona, mean Emma Black radio or no so to the data institute. And so, and I'm not nothing. Emma Mr. Yes, can't be home.
Osajo saying
either after $2,500 nature. Listen, here 380 million.
380 million.
380 million.
For the no, or see, or no for the that's 8,000. All right.
Hello.
Yeah, first
hello.
Yeah, I feel metonka. First of all, metonka pa. The person here clear what say after 3,700 Ghana cedis, 30 million. No, and no average 2,500. And no the emphasis first deal not go through. And I yes sir. Okay. And also to me there's over to Canadian visa when you move kwa kusua de. Is it and no now say to 38,380 million and now say scout Tiama or the cunning in Aboma and 380 million.
She can be chairman, okay, cunning in Aboma. I have 500 million, 600 million.
Wow.
600 million now. 10,000 now. A car and I'm passing my
I change me partial.
Okay, now, ticket, on my send this can go. That's why I can't be. I can't not, but if I did Benjamin and Yan Butchie. Mr. B, 8,800. I was in a castle, and if I pay ticket, me send him to an account. In my account, number no.
Okay. And then yes, sir. Okay.
And Mr. B, 8,800. And on the 15th of November, or Castle. according to ministers and any Liberia, you have a problem. I said, me, airport, mayor, on Kate, me friend say, this is a protocol, fingerprint, authentication, you're better than me, airport. A friend, my wife, got to be ready, and to be here in airport. Me call the trainer, the Horman is suspicious because no, I'm saying a premier, I didn't do already.
Okay.
And that's another pushing my number 50,000. You must say I cut 10,000 including tickets. And on my baby, be Shiam, I'm to be Shiamano. Many DB said, Lamte, or my 10,000 Ghana cities, and Anno. And on the 23rd of September, the call airport channel, the call. I'm the friend watching. Now we're doing the phone. What is that? The friend catcher and said, a dear Moyan and said, what will then take masses for the say, look my dimia. She can't be the matter, you wouldn't go for free. Said Lamteno. And the Monday, the best master of Sundays. You can't have about 10,000, 6,000. Emma, you receive to her.
Or send it 6,000 a month instead of
10,000. Let me mama 10,000, send it 6,000 and a mommy.
Let's cut 4,000. Okay.
Let's cut 4,000, I have 10,000 of the man. I did see you watching the friend say, said Lamtene in the 4,000 I can't hold or send your man or send the mommy.
Or send it 4,000 to buy.
And mommy 10,000.
Okay.
Let's just say I come to pick up 50,000.
And the
technique and I'm watching Karim. I could be no.
All right. First of all, Nina Mobomodi and Yaquina. Minim say Nina and go through and I may was a saying, come on, and go through. Now, and go through no. Whatever says a processing no or my visa and as also the fake visa and the trail and or the big passport tomorrow.
And so the man who said, I don't know you say 23rd. Man, be sham. On was but your friend saying I'm going to what now watching gentleman say now master only watching way. And I'm saying, let me see or bring my money or then the year or then have to train me or by Jimmy Cat me the Marco school. And was say or kind of crap this and your fake visa. Wow, I not what I did the video I'm on my passport. And what Australia on the watching or the mistake or the mistake of my men and Busan away. And what I say, and who here?
Okay.
Now, watching the oil watching the Baboni partner, this are a big visa. And initially, I'm looking because they're not watching here. They were pressed in your car, sorry. And what to me can't any other chairman, and I'm looking for a break for what you mean, yes, sir.
All right. But first of all, Mami Musa, we whatever a government protocol, man, call interview.
Young interview.
Perfect. All right. And Nina and Comiano, whatever. Oh, who say Yama fake visa near the end? What you mean? Karim Abomodiasia.
Officer, my friend watching Karim so many times. Or to me, catch them say, Shiame Accra, I say, never. Never could you know, I'm at the artist. Oma. I was in a better one to know the phone.
Wow. Now,
ultimately, I stumbled upon that, not saying that. I don't know chair, I don't know chair with you.
Okay, and no one can be as a what we are conifio.
And I'm not sending a call. This is the PA.
Okay.
And this is another than a good to say, hey, what I'm not watching. This is a kind of you this cat that could buy. Why is me?
Wow. Maybe first of maybe hold on or mommy, na me clever. More money call, you know. You don't call this Stefino. This Stefino. What you say, Karim Boati a beam.
I say, hey, and I'm watching a beam. Hey,
wow. Wow. Okay. Let's say, I could pen wire, no choice a bit of those. Yet was first of Jan Tosso.
And she said, I nationally call this town. And she now, Miss Minute, what you want in your mouth, officer, and a full chief of my chest. Meaning, the Bernard, I'm not working. And she, me told the car, I'm used to car on the general.
Okay.
Na bi nya sika no nti bo ateso na ka yo to kra na ukodura obetumi ato bi nti me to me ka esa kra ji madam di loan 15,000 ka ho nti minia na minia adamfo na me ji me loan no na onyimi ni nto ka me ho me ko bo ateso officer ni sister me da fo mu munu pa ma chaw and of frɛ bo ateso ni ma me o mu firi gaden and of frɛ ni ma me ana ma me pa ma chawa for sremia bi e be police asem diabo ni ade o sremia me hwese obinya wo me na me fe me ntina bi nyai na on be frɛ no no sika
okay
enti ade a hweye bo ate kere me ni mi apanyini o se frɛ no bo ate charge ene sister na ye ko kire bo ate sister na odi bo ate achi no That's what I'm talking.
So money.
I have watching sister na me bra e friend Charles Watson no. Okay, me tie. So ma tro munia no. Omunia na say ampa de na no e ba me sika be ma me.
Nti ma jai police sem yes sir. On report
ma report to police because na bra ne pa ma chosa say ade be police afem ade be bia me me hwe na nim say o tie no. Omo ye yofo me se me so ti ho temi ni papa enti obaji mi sika ama me
obo mo de threaten omo se o de be ko social media na o catch
I be threaten no se odi abra me ma me de ko social media me de ko FM chi me pictures and so di fa
okay
se di anka best care na ma me odi sika na ba
okay all right ni nyam no say no e ko di abusuafo so mu no ebe sise mi no ka say no abusuafo so mu no say no de no ma ya fa ho o ma tue sika ni na ka bi ana as say
abusuafo no e ka kire me say December ending no me beta December o ma fama
okay
omo by the brand friend me say me man 2 weeks or for me di o say o ka no beto no dem sika ma me a e ti say be ya ni gwafia ma abusua no
okay
and so time no say wa fama afi o ma na brand friend me o bi bratom pom me parcho we na wa na me si daddy o so me sere wa o de mi bi so abusia e ja pade ta me to de adro me de beba and so am fama e mi cousin ba ko mazi o ji number me ye se do mo ye on chat nti no abefre me cousin frɛ bo ate karim na o chere ka no na o de ma o so o de serbia ma ne bra panyi no Charles Watson se ne bra ne so da diska no na chese me hwe humo na chese fie pa na bo ate tese o sisi me no akwai ya sakwai so pese o sisi me
all right enyeji ni nyam no say the first o kan no says 50,000 ene ono na say nya dia o matua mu kapre kwa ma onye sa
dabi ani seti kana mi seti kana set lanteno say 60,000 or 6,000 to my chance na bo ate kero
yeah
and 4,000 to mo dia ka nyina unti akapre
mfa ma na on saka o fake passport na fake visa no bom no on saka de eno so
eno kra me brain amanfo be man sana bo ate ne be manika abi da bremi kumatia
o de manika no na visa nda so bom
ya bi mo o ma teka o ma tiafi
o ma ti fantastic
yeah
all right okay first off mebo mo de ada wase but bibia che ma adwen pe mebo mo de aba ye di nkomo me hwe ni mu sem na ebusua no so be di nkomo na ye hu anamo a betu afa na ye tumi abo na pepepe ya to yi why
mbacho yo
me da to ye that's it anyway fantastic that was first us ono echenia on otrim se obi edene nsa ahyeboase se obema no onazo ni betu kwan government protocol ya me kan ho asemi no but all the same former teacher and as a teacher ni aye kan asemi nipa aye kan asemi Karim what aye kan asemi no ye ne bedi nkomo hwe ni mu se ebe kwa ma no so na ye ne di nkomo no so mo de atrim na mehu se if any city na da ben na se na ba de bia me kasa asemi ani ho no ma ye de sika ne tum on I say ball asudwa no nti wa momodin an so anu ntem abu ansa agi wom nso we kanya asem bia nte busua bam no na nka papa on mututu aka kwa nka ya bomodin awi but all the same no ye na busua nya abedi nkomo na eno so fa onti ye nche ye be kwa ma no so mo hwe ni mu se mbenya eye boatin amame na me di nko but all the same message mama mi hu mama ahwefo hu boatin nipa ye kana asemi se omo bi fake visa no mama mubetunya no mo show screen so e dey amame all right so na kan yen fast da no ema Dr. Apia Herbal Center enidie men kan da papa e number 1 kromu ha Ghana hadie me say o number 1 me to sabi nti bomode chia so ne kan una also ani na sini chiase ebutu ayeden e fa hin kosia e so ayi bisi na yeden en found be ade akọ ewiase fa nya ade achin ese enye yemi bo a bomode ne fa bikim Dr. Apia o say so space ko be mu ayi space no e de ato enyi nwa chine ezan sa chine je be chine sa oji nwa chine ye den na den be sin ne enko e bo a ko bi to so nti hye no so so do ani e che kuma se kwada so e bia na ye wona na e bia na ye wo papa e bia na se be unua bi na nani ha no tamno ne fa ne bra Dr. Apia na fi on hwe ni ni ma obe cho sampa ye doctor no no de ndie nyankopon soro ene de adom no kuma se kwada so bola kase mi ho na be hu Dr. Apia Herbal Center 0547664872 0547664872 na ne doctor emomode entwe enkomo mesra mo a mo fre ya WhatsApp line no e be den se metumi ni mo akasa ho ne mo ye wi amede amano betum na mo so metumi afre all right eja amesa mo akwa ba biem na me hwe ni mo se menya because government protocols na dosu adoso
ya cha for you say de bia na meka no ana any password enim ni ntia obi tibi na adwene hwa eneso nipa o enipa nya good me ka bibia so so hwe obi pa woni na nso obi do yire obefa mese obi woni na no awuji sa se enipa wodi wotumi nya mbone no sa nipa no do nsa be hye boase na ebo abase sa gusu no na wo bayre na otu atwen se frase
that's right
shaadwe wo yisu anya no to na obi di ba se
eja ne menya ewa mano so teacher Wadaruma, good afternoon. Hello T.
Good afternoon.
Mr. Watson Boko there.
If I talk about Nyame Adom.
Fantastic. Adom nia hwiye nkomo ni dia. Wadaruma ma address you ya na dia cheme. Minim se o tra de o dwana kenten ana wajai ana agusu kire.
If I talk Majai, but 3 years.
Oh, okay. Is there you find a former teacher of Jamna Kenten?
I'm a
former teacher.
Jamna Kenten Senior High School.
Fantastic. Wadaruma ye din komo kakra na abetom say no minim so ja chere na ma okoye travel agent I can't tell but in clients are can say one Festus hrema o yes obema no ba me to kwan ema UH kwa no fake Canadian visa and all that minim enchemu ne say no kobe ne wom Wadaruma
yo dedi ka meda wase no afem bisa
I mean
na akonya so akira etifu amuti
all right
you say Apia bisa ena law
no question
said the odi kan busa na me chade o Jamna Kenten Senior High School it's quite China okay bye no yes wana ayedin amami enti me imagine say ja me se China for you pa ko ye adwuma wo Volta region ha na adwumadie no na no na tese o se akwantu dey so wutu kwan na oba obi a wonim so wutu kwan ba bia no ya na opesa ono soso ko no boa
no question
it will one opoku bi ni ne dada o jeku ajansin me se me ta dem to taxi bia na ye adwuma wo enti mene opoku ni sia ya edin ko na na mso de se no ni yemi so nyamwa metimi de na ma mi pedi ama na boa mo enti me de no akire ala me se number bi aframe and we introduce you also from top na poku ni na bi nkomo bi nti se metimi aboa na and I'm saying that be menye ye kan say consulate the issue but the next say that we metimi lead no ama na ye meye it's the long and short of the story in and say the kind the economic obi na adwuma na ye no no na after one kasa money pan pressure because me am a middle person no me na was a baby I mean the parent daily but no free ni pan no man pressure I mean the pan no fu yen or dey adwuma no bread no any fika bread unfortunately sir guy na no ye adwuma na that for back a friend Richard or Sapima one on the buy say the visa is almost done okay or banana logistica I have to plane ticket. If sir, some you move this and me money a day. Let me more money and go ticket. I'm a wolf from Pono. Money can't tap at they were 2 teachers. Wolf from Pono didn't say every so far say you need no much up and I'm how do you connect smart? Would you could give me $2,500? If you are brown, pressure now already book in the figure of bread one. Not just if you can be at them, one only be 2,500 knuckles. It's many who son of even actually brought over so. It's me much not option. It's me call I'm a smart police station for a case. Case you know the in some one year witness say a good idea and what say police patrol police team no acquire arrest no the demand the one Ghana sem it mean can say from Paul no moame wa moame e call so be you no me ensam dan tell interview and am so sam na my handicap sika ni won moame ti asa ko tue bi it na what na born in interview nya no na match no enti and na me call Liberia and I'm a cocoyer, my demand me buy. Me buy and one friend to na ya kola ba ko de ma me. Me German visa no papa me German visa Italian visa 2 months. When I me sika no. And a visa na e. It is some na me wona dey around me dey buy na visa no brain no. And now friend to friend mo la dey around so me ba Ghana. Imbe na ka se me nia. Me fẹ́ wa ade me ye. If he said the wire Makola Hamidi and Amam, nay, it is so one. So, it is someone knows to me call a very Namakosia, Ghana for me, Ghana need a friend Gucci. One more hour, Julu. Also, Canada. I'm good and say, obey Germany now, so obey Canada because initially also obey Germany, I also obey Canada. It's a thing of that, obey Canada, so okay. Let me introduce you, man, no. You want to go any kasa, one more different at the man. Time one, the car service and a banner of screenshot and then they bring. Whoa, for actually a man, 8,900. Nami, wow, fast you can have from accounts. But before that, I mean, from my say, there 20,000 out of the man, and the man book you need. Now, the form accounts, no, maybe a man. Wait, you want to send it to Canada, book you know. I don't know whether to move money and also the account. Meaning, book you know, counterpart back to say, and said, what back crowd, what's in power back crowd, what back crowd, and said, some and I'm saying, ticket in your it's almost like that. What back crowd, I'm not asking you, anyone can say, no, I push you on I kind of thing. I think of some call baby. That's what she magnifica. 10,000 Ghana cedis. And I'll go Nippon on country. Fine, and no contention. And every good time I'll over the corner. And I say, we have mobile money 800 Ghana cedis. And the man, the same says. Me, I'm in your way. Ain't she? A black corner, Masuna. I think, sir, this I know. You will be the protocol visa. And you will be the degree. Well, meaning how. The whole thing is maybe I'm a embassy and I'm a coordinator visa or embassy. But we need a one for one in some or protocol visa or near and the talking you keep one. So what communication that goes between the I am not any panel. The Maunu come or from Pong. The long and short of the issue is say, but
fine, but Mammy was it, whatever my name is Mr. Butcher now, no, I'm not sure that government protocol and all that. Whatever that government protocol, no, when you say a ampa, omo ye, and a mau digine mu, ede omo emano. because in common cheze and namoso na you know sorry Festus any who Mr. Botwe ana
Because ana me bi ka say me to ko no because me say me document echo embassy ana embassy ana me bi to ko no almost check my man if we were waiting say any partner so say your protocol officer say your dey say me na say your kabaka book no na ya verify
okay
they make a what you say
mama to was about me say it's book now you aware say book no visa na buy no it was fake now you aware.
In fact, later, na me nya aware initially.
Okay.
One thing ya nko no me na mo voter region or one am that way. Ntam mo voter region of friend me say Brown me say kuku we do away me dey South Africa na ere etikwan. Na am tell say how. If you want to friend Mr. Butchi, me friend several times. Na me friend Paul no akọ fie.
Okay.
And so onya botre obey the new visa because of the pressure meeting. And what you done so the new visa every amano and since also there on man of some time no change fika and some
okay.
That is the whole thing. And
to cut a long story short says you know first or sika saying and abedi ho wadaruma
better so sika ababedi nyenye ho. As far as this particular deal is concerned, Mr. Chobet me I complete you or where you know. I have booked in 28,800.
Okay.
And only both
side. Okay.
And semester 10,800.
Okay, 10,800. Okay.
Yeah. And the one Richard also here. 12,500. And so far, the sika a farm so a cooking for but sika no be one and the ma and no come on yet but I am so the sika be ama me try na mo bi ade the sika ama no I want some dey come.
Okay. In this case okay ni nyina boma and sika saying and ababedi wo wadaruma
me calculate you know to me it was 40,000 plus.
Okay.
And I'm here for my own
the older man the run down the man about 51,000
50,000 on my chair the American me patrol team here
me too
but you on here 28,800 and I said the whole year 10,800 and you can't say Richard also here
12,500
12,500 and I'm not near how much both can be mine.
Okay.
Richard is fair be mine.
Okay.
Set now what they 10,800 more. Woman buy and we did 4,000. The personal money 4,000 also just to cool his temper and tell you something.
Okay.
Because me so like we are Jim Fika Payama, my stranded one time. You know, maybe we say I want to be at the cool me and the temper.
Okay. What's your 10,000? And I yes, sir. 1,000. Okay. It's 10,000. No, that's a we have run down and that's a Oberman 41,000. And I yes, sir. Okay. Fantastic. It's 41,000. No, whatever. They say no. A coebusia for any idea back and forth. The main answer no. What ma branch and whatever.
Make a joke. Don't you know? Me mama Lucia Foko or no African porn and asu.
Okay.
That was fair no. Emma me kafra. Emma me kafra me say. Sikani be but almost sikani wo mu nyina no wo no African porn ni mo mo number. Eti dey offer me and say. Na ma ti wo mo. But say financially no me handicapped. Eti ande mo ti akọ ya arrest. It's a new sport. Na me nya support na me nya no. Me say me nya na me je ho a. Na bi matem. What did you matter? After the moon and so on, me picture, and giving me a picture, and I'm in a separate internet. Say a visa forces. What tell me, sir, maybe I wanted all internet. It's from young now, one with a second degree, mission with a second degree. Sir, Ghana, before you can declare somebody wanted person, why wouldn't the process I was all from? Secure my dear king, yeah, I'm not a video. Yeah, I want to also collaborating with me. Now, you know, I'm not okay to cry now. Maybe complain and but only I'm witness to arrest them and get the money. But what's struggling? Internet. People are calling me from UK. But one of the year, what the year, maybe I'm worrying, and I'm about pictures. And what the internet. Maybe the afternoon studio. No, I want to tell you because. What so video can I want to be? So what in your way? Yeah, and some of the connect right. I need to my cool because I'm going to Canada. Maybe I would say what in your would say. Minim say in pay for cars and say what can you break? And 7 pedias the criminal I feel say you can not the abano. You who quite a fast like a never toy. What you frame last week was say Yadon, we have a taban assassin. Our better. It's young man at the end of this month. Okay. And I'm going to from poor money and I'll say, I'm not from poor money. This man, in this case, I'm not from poor. What you need? The person say, reason why I'm in Busa say that Ben, the men are not a fatchemy. Ain't you know, Nami person is sipobi. Oh, says no, Sumas Yabem. Na me pese ye sipo ni ehun se se me pedi asafa nu nya no obi akoma atoniam e na me gusa asa anti se if botwe say obi abanasa ase ho a ma me ni wo de ye fan so on fair Festus ma ye hu se e se da ben na se sa nyina no eba on ne me che ni ye mbrem na pe no ye hwe na ntu bi dia anya kama why me touch on bi ani say me me ti dia me ni bi voilà, mais il y a une police station. Alors, il y a une chaîne. C'est même au bureau, il y a quand même des panneaux. Avec un mot, l'autre est un peu plus de goût. Même des panneaux, mais quand même, il y a encore, et puis il y a encore un restaurant. Parce que, 3 000, 4 000, sont, et tu as un problème. But I know what about me, so and I'm not be my friend. Not fair, but you know, and no, I'm minimum, like I say, my record. Okay. Maybe that's and then. Okay. Now, my date, you know. I got, well, you know, we put this on our production manager and friend. Okay. Maybe by mom. Now, most of some other, they are dancing, you say. Okay. Yes, watching on shout if when you share baby I saw down on your head is very clear. I don't know. I saw down for any show and yes I saw Mr. Musa Nyana na yen sipo and sana ya body sorry because I didn't person you are watching bomode eternity amame but at least mebusan ho asem no what the mehu kwan of fast so or the hu a special aid no say am pass also especially there but anyway busan for ebe pen pomesibre no channel so say o hwe sumase like from the studios of NGA TV you kuma se kwada so ho na abehu yen nti channel so eja ye den ebe say nya Boating amanoso say in line enye nti e be say nya boating but picture no be da so no I don't want to cast my memory back but na minim say me need nkoma me mo de abusa na ma hwa de the same abranti ya asem aba happen abesuma se pen the same abranti ya asem abesuma se pen
Kalim no
Boating ya
Kalim Boating
me say e friend of Boating but name say Kalim so but first time and asem ba ha no it is the same person but eno koye eno nye nwa eno de koye mobile phone bi was okay that's right all right okay
All right. Ma bin twam na ho me ba pay ye beto aso. Eno de ekoye mobile phone sem bi wa dum you know anyway. Ma me na me homra use ya me ba pay ye ne Karim ana teacher bate former teacher e be say be di nko asese no or ye travel agent die ye be say na kasa. Ode be che pa as say medical culture so do maybe esa ho na ahoma ne mu twinti no ode be che but of course you better come man so na yabo modi asipo ansa na yabo modi free studio eja Mr. Boateng atenin kano but ni nyemu na make us picture no buy no now I didn't even know say you no seriously to be honest. But wasabaso mami ninu wie preko hello Mr. Boateng.
Yes boss.
My line kate fa cheme say no dabe na o frɛ we go what the car catch him say end of this month no o promises so turn asase bi wadaruma eno so hu sem to say
me pa chopi me frewa me ka say Farmano. Eti mo de mo mami nyame adoma enu ene week mo be program no so no.
Okay.
Na ma update no. Time I ready say e bi ko enu ona nyame adom na enye pandemic ya e bi na ma tinya anya ma arrest no. Ana say me nya date no e di ama.
Okay. Say no say nkomo aye di na see ya. Say Mr. Boateng you share say until so ubenya botwe any others na arrest you na say ansan what me the first or sika na ma no ana nya say
me pa so am me de me bo me modin bia me bo e de nya sika de ama me de China for me o mo ye adwuma over a 6 months contract o mo ko e pandemic inti no wa e kwa de me bi kwa edin den so abrabo ma be wo wa ha ndi me so na onya abotre ma me akwa bia me fa so a me so mu no na ma nya fika na dia bre no me fa so
wow ni nyam no ma me say ni uni nkomo we na me musa o ya wa se asem no akopiem se bi o ma me wa wo fo mo ana busuafo anim o ya wa o ne
ai
na o ya wa so se busuafo gitum se o mo abetuaka o mo be gitum
me pa so hone de me da no a oba aye no wa anya ntumi so obeji sika no me mo mo say ekwan bi on be so nti omo no so omo wasafo no me ensa nyina numbers
okay
omo wasafo nyina numbers ba ka busuafo no anya ntumi say omo betua sika no me mo on ba bua amaya den to be sika no obi anti day in day out no they are on my nerves ana me ka se ni nyina yekote drum na ni a say ma sika so munti so etika me nyo obi a ono so betimi aboa nyame aboa mo maba mu a mo yen sentrofui na madaroma mo betimi a verify wa Amasama police station some of the case na me nye concerning Richard de no na fe botwe de no so ono so ojulo no na no so no kama timi ya so na mo bia timi anya na red one because na mama e ba kuma se kwa na so mpo o so aka pe jana de o so mi mu a anya police asem ko obegiri mi so de me say no enti no mi yemu na me say mi nua no me yema no ho to no say de be ya me document ya na che say akoma mo fine na be ba
all right mami sanfo yen ko ye chikakra oh na mi say we first one na a call sabi deputy no so government 15,000 na and yen sakan and you no aka kaza in sakan that time no sika $2,500 omde ma no eno no way eno no de say no yan kwa
what's my mouth names no $2,500 no one Richard Akaku one na my case no at police station
but it we dey na utumi enya that government protocol no eno de na agenu
I know they know generally they say according to Richard and that agent na no more you know say from Ministry of Finance am I no call Ministry of Finance room 26 on no me no call you call to deputy leader of one and the age no awo ho me no trimpon na call
okay
me to me council and I mean kind of saying ambassador. It is something me agent. I will try as much as possible to introduce you as a client to the agent. It means how many times I'm in the Accra. He even had the numbers I know of friend. It is right no friend I know more pressure na ma. Almost say I can't that. And on the na brain.
Oh
the mention. It is $2,500 no. That is what I'm saying. Say. That time the dollar rate in 12,500 and the war Richard Akaku one. Okay. So I case in the war Amasama position.
All right. Okay. Onim ya de enkom on this yasan say memre no ya wia me kakra. Na mabomode ya hwe wanim say one botwem be kasa bi wie no na afi no ya ton kan yeso ehu anamo a ye betu e de afa ho but minim say we enye first time mimi hu o picture no me ka say I said okay saba happen but all the same no your friend no to eno de you be dim komachi producers no kasa off air why
me case ba mo you
eno make kasa enye na asem you know you be dim komo off air we dia ba na kan wa asem you know you be dim komo off air why you be dim komo but as pe ni unchire mu a de mai sure fantastic me heard him say okay ya wie ni say no na eja mame ntum ba fi
I honestly say entina me pese
is ya what ya kasa
umma enipa mani eba no so a I say o ka wo say me case asaba ho ebi na o ma ni machine yes ha na o fa no ha adwene hwe Kobo atie mama ga sem tro say come do what yen fa ensam yenu na ayam de say wagya tum say o say akwa no so wa ayam de papa
o say to sro
I don't know na ha me ensam say ana tokyo na em de na wo be ma tin first ano wo be ma tin ga na wata say ma afro
Festus
brad yesu ha na
eja na say travel with the phone be ma ye be ma tin dia be train ye di yo
masa hwe enege wiase tie ho he me ka matiefo ahwefo me
say ye no ko hu no mpo a because Festus baby I can what is say or voter region
oni voter masa mama ka sam cho obi betima tena ai kwada so no okasa o say me won kan lockdown nti woboa na so kwada so e because na nye nipa ye ready uni hu utima adwene ayi adwene o say obi ne sa ehye boase no say ni suba na kwaye womo ye azan agigiska te say sai akwa jimi ye Tuesday na
natia
basia na
malam natia
wo ko na so no sa so ufri hoba na so fenyansa na so be so o ya say o so be say ani usua sa kwa na so reje
na so reje amanfo
adwene bi na eyi na wa ha say wase ene wo yire
it's serious
I say ha abusa for mam gasem cho sa sem ba pa na ma wase te de a masa na so kro mi nyansa adwene obi ti adigi sika no ene ka yusu adwene na ka ya maka wase nti ka wase ne bobu no de be si esi awi na ka wa pesika na ka o de twa na ka
but ade ba ko a say more they emphasizing on it no yes eno na nam person ka minya Festus ana ko twantiti ama me ade say o tue sika no ama sankofo although on introduce ne ma but all this can kwakom wa mo na mane at a point in time kan discuss mo obi a o ka je say mo don amane ejino na be say me hu e ho no
what has me ededodo me na what from here
serious
what from here ayi am connection me ni obi ani one me ni what for 3
o ba say you ban say 3 days say
ase me no kan say me say me what from me ni mo mu yes ha we no me nyom ni
oh okay
wo de what nkwa de a se mejo de a gise me say wa ye amani pa no wo kọ na wa obi a onim no wotim baje ne ka adu o mako school ha na fe visa o de ya fake na Elisa akwa no wo meni ye onu aka akwa so aka won se ochi na enye process onu aga na
yo si peja da de
ha ma bom nsema foster ma bom nsema ati
Festus
ma check o we ka bi ase anfa nche no na tata no akopim se na se anya ahode so kra na me se me ayame a me ka cho place me e ka me ka ma ko bon na sifo nya dua ai ma ko bon na sifo nya dua na masa ade no oye
ede me se mo he se mbenya Festus e o ma no so
ana me ka no se onu de
musa Festus
mi de ntia se ska no obi ba na yere na se agibi obi omame ene masa menya lose masa akwen fana bi emiti so be ma anje o ma no ma
obazo che say why handicap intino so until so benya scan and no so
scan
but all the same
die be du ono no scan o de den
and no say odema Richard no
say anya ne kura hu a o ja say na dan fu bi o ayi den de police station ya go che hwan okay say chi sa ga no a omo maka scan won so e say no papa no obondin
that's right
yeah
nti botu no be
omo maka say
all right mami hu me hwe na me ne Festus entwe nkomo wa so Festus yeah Festus mami nsa mo akoba na ne etie ne se me ne wate edi nkomo na ochiremu a na se ska wo de komo a eye botwe no me pe asem no ko biani kakra che me wadaruma obo na mane ansa na odi ska koma no
ono na ka kire me say odi botwe na account number man ni botwe me do
okay mi tie ba
scam this Sunday botwe ni no account number on the phone so I see 8,800
yeah
what I kire me say botwe na edino me ka na me no Benjamin enyan botwe o me phone so
okay
ena me dey Sunday 8,800 na Sunday no
what in the botwe account number man
what in the botwe account number man me o me phone so what in liar or the chat no
okay
and what the botwe another man me o me phone so
mesem monya what general line so ma anka be me de pa ni nyam no osaka asemi se scan omatua 10,000 o ka se odoka 50,000 ye check ye no round down the mine na say 51,000 also omatua 10,000 scare e ka odi a onim se e se omde ma 41,000 eno so ko be no
and then me say $2,500 on 3,700 cedis and what 28,000 and what and to say you can tell you know huma on near
and no more 10,000 also mutua 10,000
10,000 10,000 ai dia o ma me ma set lantino me catch them about say udi agro me who service and you fake no and me catch them say udi agro and I tell them we receipt we are making their send and we send 6,000 Ghana cedis
okay
ade here na what in Karim no and send the plan the so on online bank by your friend say transaction be and we send 4,000 that be 10,000
oh okay yes scare call set one no matua amount you fan say no omodi amount and yes
I go matua
okay scare the man set no scare now the man set no no so no one of this catch us farmer set and anan dada
I mean the between the second who is the kind man no what can catch them say a barrier agent no akura enti omi na woka adwuma no ho enti obana be giska no
okay
enti bi kan man I called watching say boy say enti no but it number you know on the phone for
okay all right no in chemo na me pese minya efi ho no na o say chemo according to what no o say na busuafo anje pene so mbetua sika no but also ma metia ze ebusuafo no eje pene so mbetua ma bi kwa no omo se omo to omo asase and order but o say na busuafo anje pene so mbetua na mum omo se omo sunim botweni nje omo ne be kasa na ye betua because according to what no chemo na say no why handicap into until say obetua check circumstance or report to my police until chiro no retrieve scanning from them and some what to media amount no so nchemu be no nukwebe no
na busia for ka me say o ma frɛ boat no agia no amana agia tin se sika no won nkyɛn
okay
enti me bra me record me bra no na o plot nyenu na je me ka eno nti na mpa ma femanat anya the police case no
okay
the man so me record on so go me so ka me say o ma ja pa e ko beton so ka the same thing.
Okay. Is it true that we're broadcasting on social media? Is it true that we're publishing on social media?
I'm not Facebook. I'm not the kind of person man or no person man. I'm on Facebook. I didn't kick up. I didn't for Facebook.
Okay. All right. You see, first of medasi na nka me hwe ni museminya boate na nka nimi enu nya aduan so na nka ye din komo na nka ye twa ntiti free but all the same all right what hello teacher hello what hello what oh my god move on chemi okay na mo hwe ma me se munya mumye nua aja so na ebe he me depa na se munya boate ma me aja brem
good ya etienie se ha ho se we megya so ha but ne ti se we ni aja phone so o se na de wati once they were I bought na yin achi
na so hu se we ja
masa
so enye nkopa so ye phone so nkomo we ye nkomo nchemu na me pe
wo say we no we nya no a offer no ntanti wo pese oni be di ababa ye e wo phone so ama acha bi ha say wo say extra careful I we no hi masa cause ase na ba no enye se ma eda fom na de me kan say botting abusafo in fact wo akanibre
oh yeah
wo akanibre mama fa nya
I believe say ka we ka busua no agi tu mu no nanka omo bonya yibibi kwa ma at least almost starting so mu tua bi kwa na say the be yanka menye short be travel to the extent oh what's that some nice e be di kaka na say ball asuja
no fin obo ho na wom
na fi agin
so say adne say enipa o de ka 1 million kra na say o ti so 1 cedi enye 1 million
enye 1 million bi
yeah na we no mi adwena ewo ni team a ode sa adno anya ba wagya tum dia antempa me say hwa o say na me botiden me nyina se no kan ni o me nyini na anyini echena because hwa ayade na guy no sa force onya we ni number a say sika no ade man no so that say atofiti ana good answer ni kamano ana mo afa ntoma account masa asam no yedi yasuti ne de ne so ne de fam all that ni tie ata no ha media me so on pass mo a won pass mo a na we o me de wuye ana o mu dwa bom o me de mo ana o mu dwa bom na so nko se de wuye a obeba no odwa no woni na homa ne de wuye nyina no na papa na ode ese sha ana ga na asisi and now I have yade abama ewiase nyina obi akra no to
COVID-19
yentimi kan kesi minister say chakra Easter now wo ba job kadi
I'll tell you Easter Friday
good
it's serious Ba shata no.
Doctor Watson, we can ogotom ponchi.
That's right.
And then we catch the plane say media was upon a pa. Omo pe Ghana sika fa no.
That's right.
Na chi omo ne omuseni no akwa me so meti sama maka no magige. Na akwa chi obi. Na what about them?
Mami ananso me phone lines no na mesa ba eja ko na abomo 0546060660 Mr. Mo WhatsApp messages na aba no minimum obedi nkomo Raphael maybe you message no also say obi are in the same thing but Raf you be point the number be ma unti na wabomo dey afre na ye tu ho na mo e dey ama WhatsApp line is 0546 060660 0546 060660 any WhatsApp line no but all the same ye mo morning call na me nkwa homa no so na me abusuafo so ntwe nkomo homa no so Mr. Obomo de baso a one of your TV sets no na wabomo de adum na mame na yakasa e wo phone no so nti bomo de nefa na frɛ na ye ni nkomo 02 okay and the line de na be aduma mame and the screen is no yam friends here so 0247 165835 0247 165835 any my phone lines are me here juma ye faster than no Dr. Apia Herbal Center so na Nigeria Professional School of Journalism and from college medical culture so ya baba wa ya branch nkwan dia na pese uwan central adwumanim and na pese active movie kwan bia so no for any school nkwan paper 0247 165835 0247 165835 Mr. Mo and only lines am dey adwuma ofre eba me WhatsApp line so a ebe din say me no be kasa it's a good work thank God is